latitude where the sun has been shining. It's hot, but is the sun going to stay shining this weekend? I'll have all the details of the weekend forecast coming up shortly. There is so much to do here. I absolutely love this festival. You may recognise this very iconic view here just behind me of latitude, but all ages, all generations here enjoying everything that there is to offer. And this year there is a brand new area called the Cosmic Science. Well, you are really only right for a very short amount in time for weather, that's for sure. It certainly has been a little bit changeable over the last week, but into the weekend, if this weather is too hot for you today, something just a little bit cooler and a very interesting afternoon to come on Saturday. Here's the full details of the forecast. It felt quite warm from very first thing this morning, and as we head into the weekend, if you have found the heat and humidity a little bit tricky today, something a little cooler on the way. Now, when I say cooler, I mean temperatures just dropping back to where we would expect for the time of year. Something to watch out for over the weekend are some showers developing into the afternoon on Saturday. Not everybody is going to see them, but there's the potential for an isolated thunderstorm or two to develop. And then as we head into next week, temperatures slowly but surely starting to get that little bit warmer again, reaching the mid to potentially the high 20s. But it's going to stay dry through the rest of the night, some late sunshine, the winds drop out light, perhaps a bit of mist and fog around by tomorrow morning. But the one thing you'll certainly all notice is just how warm it's going to be tonight. The best temperatures dropping back to around 17 degrees Celsius, so potentially an uncomfortable night's sleep. Now we start off on Saturday morning, that's when the best of the sunshine is going to be. Throughout the day, you will notice though one or two showers just starting to develop on the graphics. The location not to be taken too literally, but there is the possibility for a heavy thundery downpour and temperatures around average, so just dropping back, cooling off a little bit, highs of 23 degrees Celsius. Now we'll just take a look at the bigger picture to see what's happening from Saturday into Sunday. Any showers very quickly fading and overnight dry again, and you'll notice a little ridge of high pressure building in, and it's just shifting the winds a little more northerly, so a bit breezier on Sunday, perhaps feeling just even a little bit cooler again. So let's just take a look at the detail for Sunday. Overall, there is a fair amount of cloud around on Sunday, the possibility of a few showers. Certainly not everybody is going to see them, and maximum temperatures getting up to around 21 or 22 degrees Celsius. Then into next week, yes, there are some showers on those graphics, but slowly and surely it will start to get that little bit warmer from Wednesday onwards. So we are now through the second peak of the grass pollen season, and although the pollen count is expected to remain low for the next few days, the main source of pollen at the moment is from weed pollen.